let A be equal to the matrix 2, 0, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 5, 4, and minus 3. So this problem has two questions. Number one, is A invertible? So for us to answer this question, we will use the determinant of A. So let's find out what the determinant is. 2, 0, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 5, 4, minus 3. And I mean, we can do the row elementary operations, but we can also notice that the second column has two zeros. And therefore, let's do the cofactor expansion along the second column. So this gives me minus 0 times plus 1 times 1 times, and then we remove the second column and the second row, and we are left with 2, 5, minus 2, minus 3, and then 0 minus 0 times, so we don't have to do it. So this gives me minus 6 plus 10, that's 4, and therefore the matrix is invertible because the determinant is not equal to 0. So A inverse does exist. So now the second question is to find A inverse via the adjoint. So for that, we are going to look at the cofactor matrix. So first, remember that the definition of the adjoint of A is the cofactor matrix Cij transpose. So let us find these numbers. C11, okay, is going to be minus 1 to the power 2, and then we remove the first row and the first column, so we are left with 1, 0, 5, minus 3, and this gives us plus minus 3 here. Okay, C1, 2, okay, I'm not gonna do all the formulas, but I'm just gonna give you 3 of them, and the rest I will just write them. I mean, so this is minus 1 to the power 3, and then we remove the first row and the second column, and we are left with 0, minus 2, 4, minus 3. Okay, and this gives me minus, and then plus 8, minus 8. And then C1, 3, and that's minus 1 to the power 4. And then we go, so we remove the first row and the third column, 0, 1, minus 2, 0, and that's plus 2. Okay, C2, 1, okay, is going to be 0. C2, 2 is going to be plus 4, C2, 3, 0. C3, 1, minus 5, C3, 2, minus 8, C3, 3, plus 2. Okay, so the Cij, or the cofactor matrix, is going to be minus 3, 0, minus 5, minus 8, 4, minus 8, 2, 0, 2. So the adjoint matrix will be, okay, the transpose of this matrix, which is minus 3, minus 8, and 2. So the rows, they become the columns. 0, 4, 0. The second row becomes the second column, and the third row becomes the third column. So now what is A inverse? A inverse is 1 over determinant time the adjoint, and we can check that indeed that is the correct answer by multiplying A times A inverse equal to I3.